Mastering Events and Event Handling in JavaScript. Welcome to our beginner's guide on mastering events and event handling in JavaScript. In this tutorial, we'll dive deep into understanding how events work and how to handle them effectively in your web applications. Let's start with the basics. What are events? Events are actions or occurrences that happen in the system you are programming, which the system tells you about so you can respond to them in some way. In this example, we've selected a button element from the HTML document and added an event listener to it. This listener will execute the provided callback function whenever the button is clicked. Now, let's explore different types of events and how to handle them. Here, we've added event listeners for key up and mouse over events on an input field. Whenever a key is pressed or the mouse moves over the input field, the corresponding callback functions are executed. Another important concept to understand is event propagation, which describes the order in which event handlers are triggered when an event occurs on a nested element. In this example, we've added a click event listener to a nested element. By calling event stop propagation, we prevent the event from bubbling up to its parent elements. To summarize, events and event handling are fundamental concepts in JavaScript programming. By understanding how events work and how to handle them effectively, you can create more interactive and dynamic web applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on JavaScript and web development.